Hello everyone, welcome to this English grammar special video. In this video, I will discuss about the direct and indirect narration. When we heard the topic direct and indirect narration, then the question must rise in our mind that what is direct speech and what is the indirect speech. Then let's go to its definition. Direct speech, when an audience expresses the statement of a speaker in the words of a speaker, then this is called direct speech. जब कोई ऑडियंस स्पीकर के स्टेटमेंट को स्पीकर के शब्दों में एक्सप्रेस करता है तब वह डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल, श्वेता सेड आई एम बिजी. दिस सेंटेंस इज इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच. एंड लेट्स गो to its indirect speech. What is it? When an audience expresses the statement of a speaker in his own words, then this is called indirect speech. जब कोई ऑडियंस किसी स्पीकर के स्टेटमेंट को अपने शब्दों या भाषा में एक्सप्रेस करता है तब वह इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल, श्वेता सेड दैट शी वॉज बिजी. And there are mainly two types of direct speech. We will talk about the parts of direct speech. We will take an example to understand this. He said, I am hungry. This sentence is in direct speech. The portion which is out of inverted commas, this is reporting speech, and the portion which is in the inverted commas, this is reported speech. In this, he is reporter and am is reported verb. And also listen, reporting speech is also known as a introducing speech. And now we will talk about the types of sentences on the basis of meaning. There are mainly 5 types: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. In this video, I will talk about the assertive sentence. When we will go to change the direct speech into indirect speech, then we have to replace these inverted commas. We will replace the inverted commas by writing at its place that. inverted commas के स्थान पर हम that का प्रयोग करते हैं assertive sentence में. फिर हम change of persons के बारे में बात करेंगे. We will talk about change of persons. This is the Sun formula from which it will be very convenient to understand how we change the persons. That this is the Sun formula. SON, this is as reporting verb. As you can in the image, you can see it. 1 2 3, it's numbering. Reported speech. That in the reported speech, if there is first person, then we will change it according to the subject of reporting verb. If there is second person, then we will change it according to the object. If there is third person, then there will be no change while changing the sentence into indirect speech. यदि हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में हमारे सेंटेंस में फर्स्ट पर्सन है, फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स आई वी, देन हम सेंटेंस को सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार चेंज करेंगे. यदि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में सेकंड पर्सन है यू etc, देन वी विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. हम ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार चेंज करेंगे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के. जब हमारे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में थर्ड पर्सन हो, जैसे किसी का नाम ही दे etc, देन देयर विल बी नो चेंज. हम उसे चेंज नहीं करेंगे, उसी प्रकार लिखेंगे. यू विल better understand it by the examples. I will discuss it. Then the first person, second person and third person, we will talk about this. First person I, it is normal case. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में मी, पॉसेसिव ऑब्जेक्टिव माई, पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन माइन. सेकेंड पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन में वी, अस, आवर, आवर्स. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई, मी, माई, वी, अस, आवर, आवर्स. सेकेंड पर्सन में यू, you, your, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers. Third person it, its, they, them, theirs and name. Any proper noun. Now we will talk about the change of tenses. If reported speech, there are two main things. That if reporting speech is in past tense, then these rules will be applied. If the reporting speech is in present or future tense, then there will be no change of tenses in the reported speech. यदि ये रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में फ्यूचर टेंस प्रेजेंट टेंस है, तब फिर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में टेंस में कोई भी चेंज या परिवर्तन नहीं होगा. इफ देयर इज प्रेजेंट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस, नो चेंज. एंड इफ देयर इज पास्ट टेंस इन द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच, देन द फॉलोइंग चेंजेस विल बी अप्लाई. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में है तो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में चेंज होगा. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस एज पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट में. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, पास्ट परफेक्ट, या दिस इज एक्सेप्शन ऑल्सो, पास्ट परफेक्ट इन पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में है अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, तो फिर भी चेंज, कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. अगर वह फ्यूचर टेंस में है, डायरेक्ट स्पीच में रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, शैल विल चेंज टू शुड, will be changed as would, shall be, should be, will be, would be, shall have, should have, will have, would have, shall have been, should have been, will have been, would have been. You can see the example also. He said to me, I shall write a letter. It is in the direct form. It will be changed that. Yeah, also remember that if in the reporting speech say, said, if it is alone, then there will be no change, it will be right as. And if it is in the form he said to me, Mohan said to him, then said to will be changed as told. In the assertive, said to me will change as told me that. And I, listen, this is the change of persons also. I is the first person as you see in the table, and I will change according to the subject of reporting speech. I first person है तो यह रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच के सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार चेंज होगा. एंड आई चेंज एज ही, देन देयर इज रिटन ही. शैल वुड, बिकॉज आई के साथ तो शैल लगा है, पर ही के साथ वुड लगेगा, ही के साथ शुड नहीं होगा. And write a letter, same as. He said to me, I shall be writing a letter. He said to change as told me, inverted commas को replace करके that. I subject के first person में है, ये subject के अनुसार change होगा. reporting verb के, reporting speech के, I change with according to he. Then here is written he would be writing a letter. shall be, would be, as you see in the table, ही के साथ would be लगेगा. Then there are also many things. This is the change of other parts of speech. This change होगा that से, these, those, here, there, now, then, thus, so, hence. Change as thence, today, that day, tonight, that night, this day, that day, this night, that night, tomorrow, the next day, following day, on the morrow, yesterday, the previous day, the day before yesterday, 2 days before, the day before tomorrow, in the 2 days time, last week, the previous week, the week before. You can take its screenshot also. Last month, the previous month, the month before, last year, the previous year, the year before, last night, the previous night, the night before, last day, the previous day, the day before, next week, the following week, next month, the following month, next year, the following year, as well as the others. You can take its screenshot. Then as I told you that if the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then there will be no change in the tense in the reported speech, the reported verb. Mohan says, inverted commas, start, I shall go there, inverted commas, close. This Mohan says, it will write as it, and inverted commas will be replaced by that. Inverted commas को हटाकर that लिखेंगे. I is the first person and it will change according to subject. Subject is Mohan and I Mohan के अनुसार change होगा, and Mohan is a boy, so we will write here he, यहाँ पर he लिखा जाएगा. Shall, we will write here shall change होगा will में, क्योंकि he के साथ will लगता है, and present और future tense में there will be no change, so it is will go there. Rekha says, I went. This is in present form. Rekha says, I went, so there will be no change also. Says will write as H. Rekha says, inverted commas को हटाकर that, and I फर्स्ट पर्सन है, रेखा के हिसाब से चेंज होगा, एंड रेखा इज़ अ गर्ल, सो वी विल राइट सी एंड वेंट, उसी तरह लिख दिया जाएगा. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, ही विल से टू मी आई एम योर नेबर. ही विल एंड हेयर से टू विल चेंज एज टेल, because this is not alone, there is a object with it. Say to me will change as tell me, and inverted commas को हटाकर that. I फर्स्ट पर्सन है, ही के हिसाब से चेंज होगा, ही हो जाएगा, एंड एम ही के साथ इज लगता है, एंड योर सीट योर इज सेकेंड पर्सन यू, एंड योर चेंज होगा ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में मी है, योर मी के अनुसार चेंज होगा, एंड हेयर योर विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू माई, योर के स्थान पर माई होगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ पॉसेसिव ऑब्जेक्ट, सो विल राइट माई हेयर, एंड नेबर वैसे ही लिख दिया जाएगा. And there are other examples also, you can take a screenshot. Let's go to the other topic. If there is universal truth in the reported speech, then there will be also no change in the sentence, because universal truth is always truth, so we can't change its tense. That's the first example. Mother said honesty is the best policy. Mother said that honesty is the best policy. There will be no change in the tense in the universal truth. The Guru said work is worship. The Guru said that work is worship. You will change it as You can't write the Guru said that work was worshipped, because this is universal truth and it will remain always in the universe, so you can't write in the past form. The teacher said 2 and 2 makes 4. The teacher said that 2 and 2 makes 4. You will write it as it in the tense form. You will no change in the reported speech. Here are other sentences. We will discuss about it. My friend says to him, "You are not a wise man." Here you see says to, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होगा, पर चेंज ऑफ पर्सन्स अप्लाई होगा. माई फ्रेंड सेज टू चेंज ए टेल्स, because there is object with it, it is not alone, so we will write tells at the place of says to, and him as him. Inverted commas को replace करके that. You is second person, so it will change according to object, and in this sentence in the reporting speech him is object and you is subject. नॉर्मल केस है, यू हिम के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा, ही लिखा जाएगा. टेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं है, इसीलिए इज़. नॉट अ वाइज मैन. सी सेज आई शैल राइट अ लेटर. सी सेज दैट एंड आई विल इज सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट पर्सन. इट विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. दिस इज सी and I will replaced as C. Will no change in tense, because it is the reporting speech is in present tense. Write a letter, it will write as. And we will go to the example. Mr. Pandey said I can buy a car. Then the reporting speech in past tense, there will be the change in persons and tense also. Mr. Pandey said, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिप्लेस करके दैट. आई फर्स्ट पर्सन है, सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार चेंज होगा. दिस विल बी ही. एंड कैन कुड में चेंज होगा बाई अ कार. सुधीर सेड टू कपिल, यू वेंट टू द मार्केट यस्टरडे. सुधीर एंड सेड टू चेंज एज टोल्ड. कपिल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिप्लेस करके दैट. यू चेंज होगा, यू सेकेंड पर्सन है, कपिल के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. कपिल इज़ अ बॉय, सो हेयर विल बी ही. इसीलिए यहाँ पर दैट के बाद ही लिखा गया है. एंड द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज इन past indefinite tense, and this will change in the past perfect tense. So here we write the sentence in the past perfect form. He had and went, third form of it, it's gone to the market. Yesterday will change according to the day before. You can write the previous day also. Sudhir told Kapil that he had gone to the market the day before. Mohan said, I have a headache. Mohan said that. I सब फर्स्ट पर्सन है, सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. आई चेंज विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज मोहन एंड मोहन इज़ अ बॉय, सो हेयर विल बी ही. हैड अ हेडेक. हैव विल चेंज एज हैड. ही सेड आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. He said in this sentence, see this, that the reported speech is in present continuous, and according to our rules, if the reporting speech is in past tense, then the reported speech which is in present continuous form, it will change in the past continuous form. He said that. I फर्स्ट पर्सन है, ही होगा, वॉज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. एम वॉज हो जाएगा, वॉज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. दैट्स ऑल, एंड दिस वॉज द पार्ट 1 of the video, and in the part 2 I will discuss about the interrogative sentence and imperative sentence, that how can you change the interrogative and imperative sentence into indirect speech,